It's us.
Yo, what's poppin', Playboys? Welcome back to another video, man. Today we are going to Cars and Coffee, but I read you guys last I was looking over here because this car didn't want to let me in.
Turn left toward I-75.
Gee, Siri, why you screaming at me like that? But yeah, we're making our way over to a meetup spot for Cars and Coffee. I'm hosting a little ride out today. It should be a decent turnout. Should be a fun little ride out. Myself right now is currently late to my own ride out, but it's all right. I didn't plan on leaving at 7. I planned at leaving at 7:30 regardless. So if anybody's even there right now, that's what's up. And you know, black people never on time, man. So typical stereotype, but it's kind of true. You can't admit, man. It's kind of true.
17 miles.
So yeah, we're gonna pull up to the spot, see who's there, man. Hopefully some people there, some cool cars, and then head out to Cars and Coffee. Should be a little fun ride out. You guys seen the cars I was pulling up. You guys can kind of see them back there. Everybody looks so cool. See if I can record people. It's so hard to get people. Sheesh. That time car looking good, boy. And then look. We got an all-body Civic right here. Damn, look at that. Thought that was a Civic. It's not even a Civic. It's a BMW. Behind, but he wanted to smoke. So look at that, it's a cop. State trooper are over here with us, patrolling us. Let's just drive regular, man. Ain't gonna pull nobody over. That'd be crazy to get me. I'm not even doing anything, man. I'm just enjoying my drive. Oh man. That just ruined the whole ride out. I can't do no pull. Why are you braking in front of me? Sheesh. Usually there's a lot more cars driving down here, but I guess today is kind of dead. I don't see no crazy cars driving next to me, or like any crazy builds. I see there's some bikers up front, look like cop bikes. Oh, look at that, 01. Sheesh. Crap look good. I hear something chopping over there. That shit look crazy. Damn, look at the 5.0. Sheesh. Cars and Coffee looking nice. Got that, what is this, a G87 in front of us? Looks good.
Going up, gonna look down on the whole world.
Cars and Coffee for I don't even know how long now, but it's been a while, and it's very nice. Way better than Palm Beach. I always love coming to the Miami one just because of the crowd, the people, the cars. A little bit more ratchet. You know, like it'd be a little ratchet though. Look at this C6 though. C6 go crazy. Damn, bro. I would love to add this to the channel if I had the money for one. These are fire. And I know y'all see everybody getting C6s on YouTube, but like, I need one too. Where's the money? You guys, this is ridiculous, man. If y'all know what this is, leave it down below in the comments. I believe it's a 4G 63, but I have no clue. What a BMW transmission. That's wild. Some big meaty boys on the back. It's wild. Sheesh. I swear, bro. Corvettes are just beautiful cars. Like, you cannot tell me these junks right here do not look freaking good. Look at them things. I need me a C6, C7, a C5, a C4, a C3, C2, C1, everything. You guys think about this valve cover. I think it'll look good on Dusty. I might do a color like that. It's fire. Fire. Another clean SI. FD2 conversion. Let's see if we got the rear done. The rear is not done. Okay, the rear is done too. Okay. Sheesh. You think it might be a girl's car? Yeah. Oh yeah, probably is a girl's car. Oh yeah, and it got Hello Kitty inside. Wow. Nice, clean. That's fire. Damn. This crap sounds crazy. Damn. Look at that. These Holdens, bro, they just do something to me. I love these cars. And he's not even from here. That boy's from Louisiana. It has been a great turnout here, man. Shit ton of cars. A lot of people. It's been nice. Got 2-3 Vipers in this section right here. God damn. That sounds amazing. That sounds crazy. It was an amazing turnout. Cars and Coffee Miami is always so freaking good. Every time I go to it, it's always such a a good event, man. Cars and Coffee Palm Beach, it'd be average. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Like, I don't know if it's just the people or the atmosphere, but every time I go here to Miami, fire. But yeah, we're gonna pick this camera back up when I start driving. We're gonna go ahead inside the mall, and I don't want to vlog that. I don't think you guys want to see that. So yeah, see y'all in a few, bruh. Oh man, it is extremely hot, bro. Like, what happened to the good temperature we was having, man? Sheesh. But I just want to say I appreciate everybody who came out. If you're watching this video and you came to, you know, ride out with me, appreciate y'all. I should do this more. This was actually kind of fun. But yeah, you gotta see there's a lot of traffic right now, bro. And it's a little toasty outside. It's 89 degrees, so I thought I was gonna be able to do some pulls. It's traffic and it's hot. Just two combinations I ain't trying to experience right now with Dusty. So, but the car sounds so good. Woo. Boost is the way, I swear. I don't think anything else sounds remotely this good. Oh my gosh. But yeah, man, that's what I'm at off the video, man. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, follow your boy on Instagram at _GotTheSoda. And hopefully I can do more ride outs. Hopefully I can go to more car meets. And yeah, stay tuned for more. I got a killer video that's gonna be coming out, so stay tuned for that. And your boy's out, man. Peace.
Yeah. Trouble on my mind. I got trouble on my mind. Trouble on my mind. So much trouble on my mind.